In this video, we're going to show you how to make a cobblestone generator in Minecraft the easy way. All right, so we are now in Minecraft. I'm using creative mode to do this, but you don't need any special stuff to do this, to be honest. So what you need to do, by the way, is let's go to our inventory here. All you need is chest, 8 small chests, 4 hoppers, a bunch of stone bricks, a few stairs. By the way, you don't need stone bricks, you don't need polished andesite, just anything that's not wood that doesn't burn. You need a couple lava buckets and a few water buckets. So let's fix this like this so that we could do this properly. All right. So what we need to do, as you can see, I've already made 2 because I recorded this one time and it froze. So let's go here. How do you make it morning? So time set day. There you go. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do this. Let's go to a flatter surface, maybe over there. Okay, this will do. So what we need to do is place the chests like this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then what you want to do next is, let's remove the grass here, is to place the hoppers in one side of the chests. So how you do this is just shift click like this and make sure that the hopper is connected to the chest like this. As you can see here, it's connected, because if not, it's just going to be pointing downwards to the ground. So let's do this to the other chests. Move the grass. This connected. Okay. All right, so all of the hoppers are now connected. So next thing you want to do is to cover this side of the cobblestone generator with two levels of blocks. It could just be normal cobblestone. It could even be dirt. So do it like this. And then what you want to do next is to place 4 sets of stairs here near above this side of the chests like this. So shift click, shift click, shift click, and then we're pretty much halfway. So next thing you need to do is put some water in here like this. Make sure that it is stable like this. So looking pretty good, right? And then let's add another layer of cobblestone around this build like so. And then next thing is put in the middle, don't put it on the side, put in the middle a bucket of lava like this, and let it just spread. So if it doesn't spread, okay, it spread like that, you just need 1 and wait for it to spread all the way across and go down, right? So if you click on this, as you can see, it's already generated cobblestone or stone. So when you mine this, it's going to be cobblestone, but you need to add a sign over here like this, because I'm going to show you later, but you're pretty much done, because like once you mine this, it's going to go down to the hopper and it's going to be brought here to the chest. If I do this in creative, it's not going to work because it's creative, right? So as you can see here, you need to mine it on the side. There you go. And you can just do this pretty much for hours until you're satisfied with how many cobblestone you have. So now if we do this without the sign, the water is going to pour out until a stone is produced. So that's the reason why we have a sign here. So again, click, click, click. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.